You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to fix the Instagram app not working on cellular data after updating to iOS 18. First, ensure Instagram is allowed to use mobile data. Go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data. Scroll down to find Instagram and ensure the toggle is on. Next, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords but often fixes data issues. If the problem persists, check for an iOS update in Settings, then General, then Software Update. Also, update the Instagram app in the App Store. Sometimes the issue is with Instagram's own servers. You can check their status on websites like Down Detector. Another fix is to reinstall Instagram. Delete the app, restart your iPhone, and reinstall it from the App Store. Finally, contact your cellular carrier to ensure there are no service outages or APN setting issues on their end. These steps should restore Instagram's functionality on your cellular connection. For more simple iOS troubleshooting, subscribe to the channel.